Hello, this is Maura, Life with Maura, Maura McCabe. I'm going to do an unboxing of this automatic soap dispenser that I just got on Amazon a couple of weeks ago. Actually, I've been meaning to deploy it, but I wanted to do the unboxing, so I left it in the box until now. So hopefully, let me just see if I can see what the view looks like. So I know I have it good. Okay, good. All right, here we go. 500 milliliter automatic soap dispenser, SD500. I don't know, it's made in China. First, I had one little hiccup that I didn't know that an LR6 battery was the same as a double A. So if I can figure that out, and let's get going. Because I love my concentrated hand soap, and I do love my hands-off dispenser. I have one from Only Human or whatever it's called. Anyway, you know, the people who make the garbage pails and the thing. And I have one in my kitchen and I like it, but it only dispenses the fully concentrated soap, which is fine too. But I decided, these days, you know, good to stretch a dollar and also, you know, stretch your cleaning supplies, because sometimes they're in short supply when you go to your favorite supermarket to try to pick something up, or you get a delivery and you try to order online and it's not available. So here we go. Here's this thing. All right, it's plastic. Can't expect a lot from a plastic thing. This looks like, okay. All right, so it looks to me, I'm going to do something really interesting and novel, and I'm going to open up the instructions, user manual. Looks like it's able to be mounted on a wall with nails and screws or some sort of double-coated adhesive. I probably wouldn't use that. And it's a patent product. Yeah, well, whatever. Okay, now, they are suggesting and recommending that different hand washing liquids can be used. They have some names I've never heard of, but what they do say is to add, I'm not metric here in America, so I don't really know exactly, but I'll figure it out. I think I have it on my Pyrex here. By the way, I filled up this Pyrex pitcher with distilled water already, because I like that for washing and to keep mechanisms like this from getting gunked up with hard water, which we have very hard water where I live. All right. And so 100 milliliters of soap and 200 to 300 milliliters of drinking water. Well, I'm using distilled water, not drinking water, and that's okay. All right. Let's see if we get going. Let's go here. I don't know what 100 milliliters is, but we've got 500. I'm up to about the 500 mark on there, so I'll go down to below 400. I'll pour that in there. I'll just do kind of a guess. I have to remember I'm going to have to put the batteries in the thing. And I use my Get Clean concentrated hand wash, which is safe for you, your home, and your planet. I'll tell you right now, it's great stuff. It smells good. It has some nice herbals in it: aloe, marshmallow flower, linden flower extracts, rosemary and arnica extracts. Arnica is great stuff too. Love arnica for so many things. So those bumps and bruises and whatnot. I'm just squirting that in there. I'm not really sure how much I'm supposed to put in. I forget. 200 to 300. I guess it's a, I'm going to go on the, I'm going to err on the side of less, frankly, because this is a very highly concentrated hand soap. And I want the gizmo to work. In the meantime, let's see where the batteries go. I'm going to guess it's like this. Yep. Okay. That was that. And I am totally guessing here and not guessing well, might add here. Oh, here we go. There we go. All right. Let me get my batteries opened up. These are things that, you know, I probably would have done before. I like foaming dispensers. I like using less plastic and therefore having, you know, concentrated soap products. That's just a thing that I've been into for a while. And hopefully this will help to stretch the product even further than it has in the past. I mix them up in a pump. I mix it with water too, but this might be even better. Okay, positive, negative, all good there. Put this back on. This thing works well. Now I think the thing to do is to put a little more water in. Just to be, I don't know, is it safe? Should I shake it up? Because I can see that it's, shake it. Okay, so that mix up. And I'm gonna screw this on top. Okay, that's on there. And then it just sits in there like, I don't know, just rests in the top. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, off on. Long press the button 1 second. 1,000. I saw a light go. Ah! That's super noisy. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Oh, close. Okay. I'm back. Looks like I'm running out of battery power on my phone. So let's try again. Super noisy, but it's working. Oh, I like it. I like it. All right. Hey, you know what? Not bad. I don't remember what I spent on it, but it was on Amazon and you can look it up. Lentu Auto Foam Automatic Soap Dispenser. And I used my delicious and lovely Get Clean Hand Wash Concentrate, which is one of the products made by my supplier that I love. I love it. I love it. All right, that's it. I think I'm going to stop now. And I hope that was helpful. Now I have to wipe off my hands so I can stop the stream. Take care. Bye for now.